Hello, students and professionals. Let's welcome back another important question series. Okay, the question number 23rd. Where is the calculation type and the reference condition type is maintained? Okay, so I'll just try to give you an options like the first option is A is access sequence, and B is condition record, C is condition update, D is condition type, and E is condition supplement, and F pricing procedure, G none of the above. In this, one or two answers might be correct. If you know the answer, you can comment it. Anyhow, I'm going to reveal answer after some hours. Okay, let's try to participate. Always learning is more important. If you don't participate, nothing is going to move in your life, especially the knowledge based industry like software. Okay, so this is my YouTube channel. If you would like to get more updates, currently I have done 700 and plus videos, okay, in my channel. 700 plus videos content available. You can go through it. If you have the real keen interest to become a consultant, I'm holding currently 5,500 plus students, and this is my SD course, 108 hours, and this is for real-time idoc training with 5 scenarios I have explained. And this is one of the course, getting master to write a functional specification. Okay, these two courses I strongly recommend for everybody. And SAP SD complete pricing concepts. And if I'm just providing the links below of the video. Better try this course. I 100% recommend this course. Suppose if you trained on a ECC also, S4 HANA, you should require basics of the master data. Better go through this course. And I have other courses as well. It depends on your interest, how you would like to choose it. Okay. So that's all for today. Okay. If you know the answer, you can try the answer. Okay. Thank you so much. I wish you all the best. Jai Bharat. Have a great day. All the best.